Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Kraken staking approvals and reward claims, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Kraken account.
Navigate to the staking section of the Kraken platform.
Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to stake.
Review the current staking rewards associated with your chosen cryptocurrency.
Click on the stake button next to the cryptocurrency.
Read and accept the terms and conditions for staking.
Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake. Confirm your staking transaction. Next, locate the rewards section on your dashboard. Look for any pending rewards for the staked cryptocurrency. Click on the Claim button to approve your rewards.
Review the details of the reward claim transaction.
Finalize the reward claim by confirming the transaction. Check your account balance to ensure the rewards have been credited. If applicable, repeat the process for other cryptocurrencies you have staked. For any issues, consult the Kraken support section for assistance.
You have successfully authorized staking approvals and reward claims on Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.